always be holding the elastic bandage like this. Okay? So you have to put it, yan, dalawang fold. Alright? Or two, it should not be too tight or too loose. So ayan na yung figure 8 nyo, it will go up to the ankle. Alright? And then it will go down again. And then taas again. Alright. And then down again. So if you will be using the one I have, napakaganda niya.
Ine-endorse.
Alright. So it's like that. And then you have to lock it with, may I have the fastener, this one. Asan yung ganito mo? Alright. So it's like that. So thank you, akin yan. Alright. See?
Again.
Or you can put a pin. Alright, so it's somewhat fast and neat, pero pangit kasi.